The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall, skilla. Mr. Medical Minister, the Commissioner, I'm telling you, in council must have been with me. Because I call you as Minister. Me now put up with this no more than a horse. Okay, me done. The man come up, he come out and couldn't go draw a gun. So I must be in safety. How can I threaten this Commissioner? You just say hold on for you and you pull this after them. You try this shit with me. You try to me. Minister, me now put up with this. Okay? The man come and drop, pulling clip and drop fucking gun here. And I tell him comes must video. Mr. I call the minister. Now say in my video me talk to him. Mr. I call the minister. I have a video. Mr. I'm exempt. This guy tell you what I'm exempt from. Look. What we're doing right now, first, let's tell this now. And the first, this gentleman here, and this is the inside here. The first is a more liberal than me. We can't move it and make him where when I send him, he's a big friend. We're working here. This is not politics, I'm not going to policy as well. Okay? And we tell it now. It's disrespectful. Listen, I call the minister, I'm telling you, the must video me. Can I call you? If you say video when you talk, fine, to him. But we can call the minister and commissioner and put him up in the top. They must video me. Friggin' out of them, they tell this now. And you know 22 of them member party and the first time a point for disrespect this president. First time. They get 11,000 votes, when we made 5,000 now. And you can't even believe this consequence you are leader tonight. I'm exempt. Rude. Look man, look at this man my colleague and sit down.
What my people? Big up and respect, Dancehall skilla there again, you see. Alright, so you see that video that I just presented to you, I did some research about that video, and according to some things that I read in a news article, it is said that the video shows a member of parliament who goes by the name of Warmington in somewhat of a confrontation or standoff with members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. That's the understanding that I got from the news article. Allegedly, it is said that Warmington had been approached by police during curfew hours. Allegedly, you see? It is said that the incident happened within the country of Jamaica at a place that is known as Whole Harbour. I do not have any confirmed information as to when the incident happened or when the video had been recorded. Allegations are that the police approached Mr. Warmington out in the public somewhere within the country of Jamaica during curfew hours within the country of Jamaica, and one thing led to another, and it resulted into the things shown in the video that I just presented to you. Now, according to some more things that I read in the news article, it is said that the Commissioner of Police within the country of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Anthony Anderson, requests a full report into an incident that involves Member of Parliament who goes by the name of Warmington and members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. You see, the video shows Warmington on the phone talking to someone. Now, allegedly, it is said that Warmington was on the phone talking to the Minister of National Security and Deputy Prime Minister within the country of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Dr. Horace Chang. You see? Now, that's alleged. You see me? Allegedly. You understand? Now, many different comments have been made about the video on social media. Some of those comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that Mr. Warmington should have been arrested by the police. And some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that the police did not approach Mr. Warmington properly, and other different type of comments. Some of those comments I can't even repeat or talk about it. You see me? I say, but however, I just a little know about the incident and the video as well, you see me, or both, you could say at once, you see me, and you can let me know what you think about the video and the incident as well. Alright, so with that, I'm going to move on to another video. The next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video had been recorded somewhere within the country that is known as Guyana. I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the country of Guyana this video had been recorded, nor do I have any confirmed information as to when this video had been recorded. For some reason, this video is being talked about on social media, and I'm going to present this video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself and you can let me know what to think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video. Alright? This video shows a person who had been arrested by the police within the country of Guyana, or you could say that this video shows when a person was being arrested by the police within the country of Guyana. I do not have any confirmed information as to why the person had been arrested by the police within Guyana. However, if you, my viewers and subscribers, take a look at this video and listen to some of the things that have been said in this video, you might get an understanding as to why the person had been arrested by the police within the country of Guyana, of course. Alright, so some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Let me go to a gas station. Let me go to a gas station. Feel yourself, my please. You tell me go to a gas station, you come behind me and harass me now. You're telling me this is me vehicle, you're carrying me. You're carrying me, this is me on the XC752. You're carrying me, I started right to use me. I'm sorry to use me. Whoever you use me, I'm not ready to lose me. Alright, so just lose me now. You got hold me, right? A taxi driver, you got hold, right? A taxi driver, you got hold, right? You tell me to break down, I tell you let me go. You tell me to break down, I say let me go. I know you tell me drive behind me. Drive behind me and tell me stop. Now I stop, let boy going through, right? Officer Martin. And you tell me go break down. Yes, sir. You say station break down, go break down. Yes, sir. Officer Martin. You tell me to go break down. I said, let's go break down. I can't go video. I can't go video. He said, go break down. He said, go break down. I'm not going to harass me. Taxi driver harass me. What's the matter?
Watching that 1 point speed it kills so.
Like it's some big like.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, I am not Mr. Know-It-All, you see? No, I'm not Mr. Know-It-All, you see? Yeah, and there are allegations behind that video that I just presented to you. However, I'm going to ask a question about that video. Why do you think that person had been arrested by the police within the country of Guyana? Let me know what you think, alright? And here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up and respect to each and every one. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know what you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.